Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious smoothie using frozen fruit. First, select your preferred frozen fruits like berries, mango, or pineapple. This simple method is perfect for busy mornings or a refreshing afternoon treat. Using frozen fruit eliminates the need for ice, ensuring a richer flavor and a perfectly chilled consistency. It's an incredibly easy way to enjoy a healthy, homemade beverage in just minutes. Now let's talk ingredients. For a single serving, aim for about 1 cup of your chosen frozen fruit. Next, add your liquid. Typically 1/2 to 3/4 cup works well. You can use water, milk, almond milk, or even fruit juice. For an extra boost, consider adding a spoonful of Greek yogurt, a scoop of protein powder, or a tablespoon of chia seeds. These additions enhance both flavor and nutritional value. Blending is key to a smooth texture. Always pour your liquid into the blender first, then add the frozen fruit on top. This helps the blades catch everything efficiently. Start blending on a low setting to break down the fruit, then gradually increase to a higher speed until smooth. If your smoothie is too thick, add more liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. Don't overblend, stop once it's creamy. Here are some final tips and fresh ideas for your smoothies. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit combinations. Try mango and pineapple or mixed berries with a banana. For an extra nutritional punch, add a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness with a touch of honey or maple syrup. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.